Are you ready? I said, are you ready to be selectorized? Give me some guitar now.
We traveled 2,000 miles. We've been in hibernation for 2,000 years. My girl's mad at me. I didn't want to see the film tonight. I found it hard to say. She thought I'd had enough of her. Why can't she see? She's lovely to me, but I like to play it and watch TV on my own every now and then. My girl's mad at me. Been on the telephone for an hour. We hardly said a word. I tried to try, but I could not be heard. Why can't I explain? Hey, why do I feel this pain? 'Cause everything I say, she doesn't understand. She doesn't realize. She takes it all the wrong way. Monsieur Balzer received a letter just the other day. Don't seem they wanna know you no more. They've laid it down, given you their score. Within the first two lines, it bluntly read, "You're not to come see us no more. People wait from our door. Don't come round here no more. What on earth did you do that for?" Our aunt, she don't wanna know. She says, "What will the neighbors think? They'll think we don't. That's what they'll think we don't. But I will, 'cause I know they think I don't." Our uncle, he don't wanna know. He says, "We are disgrace to the human race." He says, "How can you show your face when you're disgrace to the human race?"
Before right out of dawn. Urgent problems in town. Rudy, our message to you, Rudy. Our message to you. Stop you fooling around. Time is straight right out. Better think of your future. Else you'll wind up in jail. Rudy, our message to you, Rudy. Our message to you.
This one's for you. That's beautiful. Nasty boys and nasty schools at masters breaking all the rules. Having fun and playing fools, smashing up the woodwork tools. All the teachers in the pub, passing round the ready rub, trying not to think of when that light down bell will ring again. Oh, what fun we had, but did it really turn out bad? Oh la la, at school was how to bring a word through. Oh, what fun we had, but at the time it seemed so bad. Trying different ways
Thank